Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 10 part 1. Addition facts, adding 0 and adding 1, identifying addends, sums, and the commutative property of addition. So here I have all these addition facts, okay? And today we're going to learn words mathematicians use when they talk about addition problems. So each of these numbers being added is called an addend. And then the answer we get is called the sum. All right. Now notice the word addend has the word add in it. So I know when I'm using an addend, I'm adding numbers. Okay. So let's go ahead and solve these problems. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 0 is 6. 9 plus 0 is 9. 1 plus 0 is 1. 2 plus 0 is 2, 4 plus 0 is 4, 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 0 is 7, and 8 plus 0 is 8. What did you notice about all these facts? Okay, what addend is the same in all of them? So you notice I'm adding all of these numbers by 0. What is the sum when we add 0 to a number? Well, it's always the number that I added it to. So 3 plus 0 equaled 3. This is called additive identity, okay? And additive identity says that when I add 0 to any number, it ends up being the same number, okay? All right. So let's look at this problem, or these ones, okay? So here are my 1 facts, and all I did is I changed the zeros to 1s, okay? So let's answer these problems as we go. So 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And 9 plus 1 is 10. What did you notice about this one? What is the sum when I add 1 to the number? Well, it's 1 more than the number I started with. I go 3 and then 4. Okay. All right. So here I have 2 problems. 4 plus 1 equals 5 and 1 plus 4 equals 5. How are these problems the same? Well, if you look, they have the same addends. The only difference is that the addends are in a different order. Another thing that is the same is that the sum is the same both times. Okay. Mathematicians know that when the addends are the same, but in a different order, the sum will always be the same. They have a special term for this. They call it the commutative property of addition. Okay. All right. So these 2 numbers also have the commutative property. You may notice on these problems, I have just switched the addends. Okay. I have a 3 plus 1 or a 1 plus 3. So the answers to these should be the same. So it's 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Well, what's 1 plus 3? 1 plus 3 is 4. So we can see that this property works. All right. So for the second part of this lesson, we're going to work on problem-solving strategies. So the one we're going to work on is using logical reasoning to solve a problem, and solve a problem by acting it out. So here we have Maria, Jose, and Zania are standing in line at the door. Jose is last, and Maria is not first. Show who is second in line. Okay, so let's act this out. And I'm going to do it by drawing a picture. So we have Maria, Jose, and Zania, all right? So we're going to draw, here's my door. Okay. And I can see that Jose is last. So I know Jose is going to be the farthest away from the door. So here's Jose. And then it says Maria is not first. So since Maria is not first, I know that Zania must be first. Okay, so we're going to put Zania right next to the door because she's first in line. So since I only have 3 people, that means Maria has to go here in the middle. All right. So it says show who's second in line. Well, the person who is second in line is Maria, because Zania is first, Maria is second, and Jose is last. All right. Okay, so we always want to double check, make sure we got it right. So we want to look, okay, so it says Jose is last. Do I have Jose last? Yes, I do. Maria is not first. Do I have Maria as not first? Yes, I do. And then I have to have Zania as first in line. So I drew my picture correct, so that means my answer is going to be correct. Okay, so you'll be doing something similar like this for your homework with another problem. So it really helps to draw a picture. Hey, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.